Okay, so I have this tiny theory that kids' parties have enough sugar already. Like, somehow every child leaves a birthday party holding 3 lollipops, half a cupcake, and a mysterious sticky gummy. And as cute as these party favors are, a lot of them either get eaten in 5 minutes or forgotten in the car. So when I think about party favors, I wanted to make something that feels fun and exciting for kids, without sending parents into sugar survivor mode. And honestly, this Play-Doh favor cards might be one of my favorite party ideas yet. They are playful, easy to assemble, and just really fun to hand out. I've made these cards to be super easy to customize in Canva. All the texts are editable, so you can easily change the name and wordings however you want. Print them at home on cardstock, then cut out the sucker and pop in a mini tub of Play-Doh. And there you have it, a non-candy party favors that both parents and kids are actually excited about. These Play-Doh cards come together super quickly too, which is ideal when you're assembling party stuff while also doing 17 other things. I've been making them for all kinds of themes lately: Wheels on the Bus, Fighter Pilot, Titanic, Tutti Frutti, and more. They are also really cute for classroom Valentines or preschool parties. The kids get excited because it's Play-Doh, and parents are usually very happy that this isn't just another bag of sugar coming home. So if you're planning a birthday party, preschool celebration, classroom Valentine exchange, or just need an easy party favor idea, you can check out all the designs through the link in the description. Have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye!